adding green tea in my diet. It's good for weight loss. Today I had my cheat meal day, so I'm thinking of ending up my day with little green tea. It's been many days I have been having so much of junk food, so much of sugary food, so planning to go for a green tea detox. Green tea. Really? Does it even tickle your fat cells? Absolutely no. If losing weight was as easy as just sipping on something like green tea or lemon tea, I'm sure majority of population wouldn't have been struggling with the obesity. Then why we are so much dependent on green tea? Is it because we like shortcuts and we like it even more when it comes to weight loss? Because then we don't have to compromise on our diet, we don't have to exercise, and that's what we are looking for. I think majority of population don't want to exercise. I don't know what's the reason behind it, and they find shortcuts to lose weight. And we actually see green tea as one spot solution for every crap that we want to have, and then keep hallucinating ourselves that we are losing weight in the form of fat from our body, which will never going to happen. So does it actually work, and what's so special about green tea? So green tea is as good as your normal tea: black tea, white tea, matcha tea, Darjeeling tea. It's famous for its antioxidant properties, and I bet you will get different kind of antioxidants from the variety of tea that you will include in your diet. I'm not telling you to do that, just for the information. It's famous for its antioxidant properties, which you get from every tea that you drink, even the regular black tea that you have. So why we just keep ourselves limited to just one kind of antioxidant? Isn't it very much unfair to our body? Correct? So one thing, green tea gives us antioxidant that we will get from every kind of tea that we're going to drink. So just don't go with the false advertisement and don't just get fooled yourself by just having green tea. Every tea will going to give you antioxidant. So does green tea actually helps you with respect to your weight loss? So that's the main question now. See, it has two aspects, and let's see what science has to say about it. Number one, it does help in boosting up your body's metabolic rate. Okay, and we know that if we have a good metabolic rate, we can lose our weight in a much more efficient way. Correct? But I feel, why just green tea? There are many Indian foods that are known for the same thing, right from fruits to salads to nuts to seeds, and even water does the same thing. Then what's the need of including green tea? So the science says green tea has one particular kind of antioxidant, which is known as epigalactocatechin gallate, and in short it's known as EGCG, which is known to increase the function of catecholamines in the body, and catecholamines is a kind of hormone that is linked with the fat loss. But for that you need to have approximately 300 mg of EGCG in order to see that significant change with respect to your weight. So 300 mg, how can we achieve that? How many cups of green tea I have to drink per day? So an average cup of green tea have approximately 40 to 60 mg of EGCG. So let's take an average of 50. Okay, so if a cup of green tea gives you approximately 50 mg of EGCG, so in order to reach the target of 300 mg, just do a little math calculation. How many cups of green tea you're going to have? It's somewhere around 6 to 7 cups of green tea. Guys, isn't it very much unrealistic to follow? I mean, I will definitely going to give up on my weight loss thing if I have to follow such kind of pattern. And how can we forget the amount of caffeine that we are also putting in our body at the same time? Definitely some amount of caffeine is needed by your body for weight loss and many other things. But if you're going to exceed the limit of caffeine, it can definitely lead to some serious ill effects. It may, inhibit the iron absorption. It leads to anxiety, and sometimes it also leads to disturbed sleep. So I feel weight loss is just a small part of your total health. We just can't put our health on stake just for the sake of weight loss.